What secrets lie within the Spanish Fork Cemetery? What spirits need to speak to us today? Truth be told, I have to pee so bad right now that this is going to be the fastest cemetery tour of your life. Here we are. What a beautiful cemetery. You know what? I never really looked at it before because I've come here so much. But this is a really pretty cemetery, especially over here with all these trees and the beautiful mountains. I like it. Yeah, a lot of my family's buried here, my husband's family. This is a very, very beautiful place. I wouldn't mind being here, but I think it's full. Tear down one of them soccer fields! Well, not now, eventually. But we're here at the Spanish Fork Cemetery just so that I can show you a specific grave. The grave of the Weeping Woman. Do you all know this story? Well, guess what? I don't really know it either. So let's Google that shit. Google that shit! And find out. Okay. There's a lot of weird people here. Looking at me. I don't appreciate it. Stop looking at me that way, lady. They think I'm weird. Videotaping a cemetery drive. Oh, look at this headstone. Let me zoom in. Oh, that's a shitty. That's cute. I love it. I love those old-timey headstones from the 1800s. They were so beautiful. The sad thing is they were made of marble and limestone and stuff, so they're not lasting anymore. They just don't hold up. It's not a good material for Utah. And I would know because I used to make headstones for a living. So that's me. That's my professional self talking to you. Sorry, I think you're hearing my keys jangle. I'd be annoyed too, so I do apologize. But we've got to find this weeping lady. I think this lady's looking for her too, and she thinks she's gonna beat my ass finding her. No, lady, not today, because I know exactly where I'm going. That's my secret weapon. Because she's right here. Bam! Got it. Look at her creeping up. She's like, I'm gonna get a video of it. Okay, so here we are. This is the Weeping Lady of the Spanish Fork Cemetery. Let's go out and take a look at her. Okay, Adam here, your host. Your ghost host. Your ghost host with the most. Hey! And let's take a look at this Weeping Lady. I'm trying out this new mode on my phone. It lets me talk to you while I'm showing you stuff. Okay. So what do you think? I can't see a damn thing. But anyways, let me tell you the story of this lady. Okay? So, her name was Laura, and she did die in 1929. I heard that she had an infectious tumor, and that's how she died. And her husband was devastated, obviously, because she was very young. Her husband's Horace here, and he died much later in 72. But anyhow, he made this monument himself, I believe. And do you see the calcium deposits there? They say that she cries actual tears. I mean, it's always been wet there, so I don't know what causes that. It's just, I mean, I'll tell you what causes it. It's all the crevices in the stone, this granite, and water here. It doesn't mix. And the water in this cemetery specifically in Spanish Fork actually turns red. So it looks like the headstones are bleeding. which is kind of awesome. Kind of makes me definitely want to be buried here now. Damn. So anyways, let's read the poem that her husband wrote. It says, warm summer sun shine blindly here, gentle breeze blow softly here. Mother Earth above, lie light, good night, sweetheart, good night. Oh, that's so sweet. What do you guys think of this? The other part of the legend is, if you walk around the cemetery, I think 3 times, they said, that's a pretty good walk. I mean, look at that. My fatness is not walking around the cemetery 3 times. Okay. But they say if you walk around the cemetery, you can hear her crying in the headstone, or from the headstone. That's kind of dramatic. I mean, let her rest, okay? Don't make her cry. It's kind of rude. Oh, but anyways, I wanted to look over here because I've designed quite a handful of the headstones in the cemetery. Did I tell you guys that I used to make headstones? I think I said that earlier, but I don't think we ever talked about it. But yeah, I used to design graves, headstones, not the same thing. And they're in here somewhere. Should we look for them? Oh, but I gotta pee, you guys. I don't know why I keep telling you this. Let's just take a look. We're all friends here. We share info. It's fine. If you haven't had to pee, then you're not a human being. Looks like someone just had a burial here. I don't know. I know they're in here, but I'm also so lazy and it's lunchtime. I tell you what, today's video was mainly to just show you this weeping woman, but we'll do a full tour of this cemetery at dusk. So we'll talk about that soon. Now Miss Lady over here's got her kid in the sunroof, just joyriding around the cemetery, and I'm the weird one, vlogging it. I really like this one here. Look at that beautiful metal work. I do like that. This is what's called a wing monument in the biz. And I love a wing monument. I think my husband and I will get one because they just look real smart. They look real fancy. You done good, Jennifer and Chad. Okay. So that's what I'm gonna get, I think. What do you want for your headstone when you die? Comment below. Is that weird? I mean, you're on a paranormal channel, so don't know what to tell you. Okay, well, it's been fun, you guys. I'm blind. Did I mention I have to pee? Thanks for taking this little tour with me, this little haunted hotspot. This haunted, what is this shit called? Haunted hotspots walking tour? Ah, shit. Wait, let me just insert a voiceover here. Thanks for joining me on my haunted history walking tour. Remember, if you like haunted hotspot tours and haunted locations, travel, food, decor, and home shit, please like, subscribe, tell your friends about me, and remember to keep it paranoid.